Hello and welcome to another Nikomedia quick tip. Today I want to show you how you can use the it's not so new, but Nano-Banana now in Photoshop. That's new because with the latest update in Photoshop, but you have to use the Photoshop beta version and you can download this in the Adobe Cloud here, applications, and you see here you have beta and you can download the beta version here. And if you have done this, you have now the new version here. And we can use here simply Nano-Banana without any plugin, without anything else. And so I want to show you how this works. And I thought we will do a little ad or something else. Sometimes I create some ads just for Pinterest or so, just for a little affiliate links or something else like this. And for Pinterest, I want a picture with 2 by 3. So I create here a new picture. You see 1000 by 1500. This is fine. And let's drag in. I found a picture I like. These are these minion slippers here. Make it a little bigger. Okay, and I bring everything to one layer. So with Control E, I have everything on one layer. And now with Control A, I select everything. And you see I have here my contextual taskbar. You can put this wherever you want. And if you don't see this bar, you simply go here to Windows and here contextual taskbar. And you will have this as well. So I have this selection now. I selected everything. Go to Generative Fill. And here it's important. You see here this G. You have here different models. Firefly 3, blah, 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 blah. And we, of course, use here the Gemini 5.2 Nano-Banana. And now I simply prompt, let's say, create a nice ad for these slippers. Okay, enter. Let's see what we will get. And of course you can try this different times, no question about it. And yeah, look at this, step into fun, cozy minion slippers. And here we have the slippers. If you don't like this, simply hide this, go back. Again, Control A, Generative Fill. Create a nice ad for these slippers. Now I will copy this. So maybe we need it again. And again, let's try another one. I already liked the first one, but not bad to have more. That's perfect. Look at this. These are the things, and here we have. Yeah, but it's not exactly the same with the smiling here. But the smile is on the other side. So maybe. Not, but yes, we have here this black smiling here. This is here. This one. So it's perfect. Step into fun. It's one more because it's so funny. So Control A. So I have copied this prompt. Of course, you can tell in the prompt a scene you like. So, but maybe in a child's room or so. This we can try. Oops. Okay, this is not so fine. Delete this one. And let's try this in a child's room. Maybe Control A. Nice ad in for these slippers in a child's room. In a child's room. So let's see what it does. Yeah, look at this. Maybe they are a little big, but this I like it. Yeah, it's everything a little big when you see the cards. Okay, these are playing cards. Maybe they are so big, they are toy and they are so big. So I last try. Control A. Uh, yeah, let's see what it does without the child's room. You see, it works quite fast, and we don't need any plugin or something else. Yeah, now look at this. Okay. Yeah, and of course, if I don't like this universal or so, this, let's say I want this one here and delete the other ones. So it was Control, Shift, Alt, and E. You get everything in one layer. And here I simply go to this remove layer. You see here we have the remove tool. I simply select this one, and I have it like so. So it starts automatically, and whoosh, we are done. That's perfect. Okay, maybe the eyes don't look so nice here, but you have seen we can try this as many times we want. So one more. So this is the last one, and if it's not a success, doesn't matter. We know it can do it. So then, yeah, that's great. Nice Minions logo, exactly the things. Perfect. Okay, I just wanted to show you this because it's. I was very positive surprised when I have seen this this morning. Okay, I hope you like it as me. It's like if you like it as much as me. You know what I mean. And if you wanna know something, if you have requests, complaints, or suggestions, or what I can do, or what you wanna see next, let me know in the comments. I wish you all a wonderful weekend and bye bye and all the best here from Austria, Vienna. Tschüss und Baba.